Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change the function of a zoom controller single, double or triple tap action on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Next, in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Then tap on zoom. Next, go down and tap on zoom controller. Then in here, to change the controller actions for a single tap, you tap on that. Now by default it is set to show menu, so you can choose none, show menu, or zoom in or zoom out. Now because zoom in and zoom out has been already assigned to a different function here, so if you want to change it, say you want to assign zoom in or zoom out to a single tap, what you do is you go to double tap and you select none, then you go back. Next you go into single tap and then you select zoom in or zoom out, and that's it. So that is how you can change it. And then now you select double tap and you can assign show menu. So now if I do a single tap, I can zoom in or zoom out, and if I double tap, that will show me the menu. And that's it. So you can do that. You can do the same for triple tap. You can assign a different function. So you can assign, say, you can assign none. So you can turn it off. You can turn off triple tap. You can assign it to show the menu. Again, to assign to the show menu to a triple tap, you need to go into here. So you need to go into a single tap, or you need to go into a double tap and select none, which makes the show menu available for you to select for the triple tap. And that's it. That is how you can change the functions of the zoom controller for a single, double or triple tap action. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.